Hi, welcome back to another MeasureSquare tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to use our Search and Select tool to highlight the countertops that you want. In the toolbar at top, you'll see a magnifying glass icon with the words Search and Select right below it. Click on the icon. A pop-up window appears where you can see a number of optional fields which you can use to narrow down your search results. For example, if I want to search for my countertop named C33, which I'll type into this text box here under Name, and then I'll click OK, then the countertop named C33 is highlighted. If you would like to search by product type, you can easily select from your project items to highlight only the objects that are using that specific product, like our Morning Frost. I'll click OK. As you can see, all countertops using Morning Frost as a product are highlighted in red. You can also filter by object. It lets you search for countertop objects such as wall splash or laminate. I'll go ahead and select Splash and check the box next to it, and as well as that, check on laminate. Then I'll click OK. And as you can see, all laminate edge and wall splash objects are highlighted in red. You can also search by the type, product, and tag fields. These category options can be customized and assigned by you. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for future videos and information for all MeasureSquare products.